friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious shrimp mushroom dish that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron's on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First, preparing our shrimp. The shrimp has been deveined. I removed the skin, and now I am ready to add all these amazing spices: salt, garlic, pepper, black pepper, paprika. Look at this. I am going to coat it very well, making sure that all the shrimp is nice and coated. Remember, this part is very important, making sure that the shrimp is coated with all these amazing spices. Remember that the salt is to taste, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of each seasoning. Look at this. This looks amazing. And now I am ready to cover it with Saran wrap. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes so the shrimp really absorbs all those amazing flavors. And here I want to start first slicing all the mushrooms. Look at this. You decide if you want to cut them in squares or just slice them the way I'm slicing them. I am going to try and get all the slices almost the same thickness so that they cook at the same time. Here I have my onion, and I'm going to go ahead, slice it, and then I am going to cube it so that it really releases all those amazing flavors into the mushroom and shrimp. Don't forget your garlic. This part is very important. You want to smash the garlic, wake up the garlic when you smash it, and then dice it really good. Look how delicious. If you love garlic like I do, you are going to love this amazing shrimp and mushroom recipe. Well, here I'm going to reserve, and I'm going to continue with the sweet peppers. I'm using red and orange sweet peppers. These peppers are small, and these peppers don't have too much seeds. I'm going to slice them through the center, and then I'm going to cut them in little squares like I did with the onion. Look at this. So easy to prepare this amazing and delicious shrimp and mushroom recipe. What takes longer is getting all the veggies ready, preparing them so that you could start making this amazing recipe. You know that the shrimp cooks really fast, so this is really going to be such a delicious and easy dinner. Right after work, when you get home, just get everything ready and you'll be having a delicious shrimp and mushroom dinner in no time. I have a little bit of all the spices here. I am going to just incorporate it really good. And now I have everything ready. The garlic, the onion, the mushrooms, of course, the shrimp that has been marinating for about 30 minutes. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And here it goes, the garlic and the onion. You're going to saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once you start smelling the aroma of the garlic and onion, then you are ready to add your shrimp. Remember that the shrimp cooks really fast. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You want your shrimp to still be juicy and delicious. So make sure that once you add your shrimp, don't overcook it. I'm going to add the shrimp I'm going to incorporate it really good into the onion and the garlic. I wish you guys were here to smell this amazing aroma. Once you add it in here, of course, we are going to go ahead and start adding the peppers. The peppers are going to release the amazing flavor. Incorporate it really good. Don't overcook your peppers. Once you incorporate it really good, add your mushrooms. Add the mushrooms right on the top and then add the rest of the same spices. You want the mushroom to really absorb those amazing spices. So once you incorporate it, add your mushroom right on the top. As you could see, this recipe is not oily at all. And I'm going to add the mushroom, all the mushroom right on the top. Add the rest of the spices and cover the mushroom with the spices and then incorporate everything really good. Once you add your mushrooms, just cook it for 2 more minutes. And then this amazing recipe will be ready for you to enjoy with your beautiful family. You could enjoy it with white rice. You could enjoy it with dirty rice. You could enjoy it with pasta. Or you could just enjoy it with broccoli and veggies. You decide. My mouth is watering. The aroma that all these ingredients are releasing in my kitchen, just perfection, made at home. Remember, only cook it for 2 minutes when you add your mushroom. You want the mushroom to still be al dente when you enjoy this amazing recipe. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. It's nice and hot. I can't wait to enjoy. My mouth is watering, and I am sure my family is really going to enjoy this amazing shrimp and mushroom recipe. Perfect, easy, and of course, amazing because it's made at home with lots of love. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. See you soon. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious shrimp and mushroom dish. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing recipe. Really delicious, really moist, and this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.